In this video, I'm going to show you how to add color to text in Notes on iOS 18. So the new iOS 18 features allow you to colorize your text while using the Notes application, and you have about 5 different colors that you can use on your Notes application on your iPhone on iOS 18. So if I download this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do before you can add color to text on Notes is make sure you are running on the latest iOS 18. To do this, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. Then you want to click on General, and under General, just need to click on Software Update, and then you should see your iPhone checking for the latest update available. Make sure you download and install the iOS 18, and once that is done, go back and open the Notes application just like this. Now click on the Edit button at the bottom right. This will open up the folder page where you can easily create your notes. So let's say we want to talk about how you can easily add color to text on Notes on iOS 18. Now, once you have what you had to add the color to, just like this, let's say this is what we want to add color to on iOS 18. Now, you must have typed everything just like this. Now, to add the color to any text in Note on your iOS 18, all you just need to do is this. Highlight the text part you want to add the color to. So let's say this. You can just use this slider to increase the size or to cover all the text you want to add the color to. Come here and click on this font icon, that is capital A and A. Then here, come down here and click on this color icon. Once you click on that, you should see 5 color pops. Then we have 5 different colors here. Go ahead and select the color you want to highlight the text with. Here, let's say I want to use the pink color. Then once done, go ahead and click on the no button. Then you should see the text highlighted in the selected color. You can repeat the process again on any part of the color and set a different color again. Here, let's say here again, I want to use the mint. Then that is it. So how to add color text on Note on iOS 18 like that. Then you can also make the entire text colored by highlighting everything. Then come back and click on the color icon. Then select the color you want to use. That's orange. Then there you go. So that is it. Now, one cool feature about adding color to text on Note on iOS 18 is if you click on this bottom right icon, this is going to create an indenting. You see that? So this is going to indent the text, and you can still add color to it. At the same time, you can also format the text using the bolding, the underline, the strike through, or whichever feature you want to use here. So you also be able to justify. So that is it. You can also change the text font. So this is how you can easily add color to text in Notes on iOS 18. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.